What is VTP? What problem does VTP solve previously? We have learned that VLANs are locally significant for a switch and are configured manually. Well, if you think more deeply about it, this is a huge scaling limitation. Imagine a network that has 100 plus switches and you want to provision a new VLAN. Someone has to log on every single device and execute the commands. This is a slow and trivial process prone to human error. The VLAN Trunking Protocol, VTP, has been introduced to solve this scaling problem. VTP is a Layer 2 messaging protocol that was designed to manage the creation and deletion of VLANs and maintain network-wide VLAN database consistency. Using this protocol, a network administrator can add or delete VLANs and have those changes automatically propagated to all other switches in the network. Without VTP, switches do not exchange information about VLANs. The protocol has been designed around the centralized management idea. One or more switches are assigned the role of VTP server. Any updates made on these switches are sent through VTP to the other switches, which are VTP clients. VTP domain. A VTP domain is defined by all switches that share the same VTP domain name. A switch can be in only one domain. By default, Cisco switches do not have a VTP domain name assigned. When they receive a VTP advertisement over a trunk link, they inherit the domain name and the VTP revision number found in the message. The name can be configured manually using the VTP name command. All changes made on the VTP server are propagated only to the switches in the VTP domain. If there is a switch configured with different VTP domain name, it won't accept the advertisements and won't update its VLAN database. VTP modes VTP server in server mode. The switch advertises all changes to the VLAN database to all other switches in the same VTP domain. These advertisement messages are sent over trunk links, *VTP client. VTP clients transmit and receive VTP updates but cannot create or delete VLANs. All VLAN changes are done on the switch in server mode. *VTP transparent. Switches in VTP transparent mode transmit and receive VTP updates but do not update their VLAN database. They do not participate in VTP at all and only relay VTP messages. *VTP off. Switches in VTP off mode do not participate in VTP at all and do not relay VTP messages.